Okay, so here are the ingredients you're gonna need for caramelizing the onions. So I have one white onion, I have a spatula, olive oil, I have butter to combine with the olive oil, and I have a knife and a cutting board, and then I also have a stove and a frying pan. Okay, so I've cut the stems off of the onion, hopefully estimated at about 1 inch off. So I've cut my onions and now I'm about to start slicing them. And here's my bowl of all my sliced and unlayered onions. My eyes are kind of crying, but it's okay. Now I'm doing my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And 1 more. Boom. Now I'm setting down, my 2 tablespoons of butter. I wasn't sure how much to do, so I did 2 tablespoons. Now the butter has kind of dissolved, well, not really dissolved, but integrated into the olive oil now. So we're about to add the onions. They already are getting pretty brown, but they haven't like wilted a little bit yet. Okay, and here are the onions after about 5 minutes of me stirring it occasionally on medium-low heat currently. I'm about 10 minutes into them cooking, and they smell amazing. They're wilting quite a bit more now. I also seasoned it with a tiny bit of salt, but this is what they're looking like right now. 20 minutes, and I feel like a lot of them are kind of burnt. As you can see, the brown kind of edges. Certain ones are still okay, so I'm gonna cook it maybe 10 more minutes and then kind of separate the ones that did okay from the ones that kind of burnt a little bit. My end result, I am pretty disappointed because it looks like a lot of them were burning and I couldn't really decipher when they were about to burn, so I think I added the extra olive oil a little too late. As you can see, some of them are like not completely burned, but they were getting close to burning, and others were just completely burned to a crisp. So I thought I had it on a low enough heat. It wasn't really high at all, but I think it was just, it needed that extra olive oil in order to not burn. So this is my end result. I was very hopeful, but they still smell amazing, and some of them still look pretty good.